Hi, I'm James with JNC Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to redirect water from your downspout. What I have here is just a typical section of a downspout. It's a typical 4-inch downspout coming down off of your gutters. Usually you'll find them on the corner of your houses. And if you're having a problem with the water going the wrong direction, all you have to do is at the bottom of your downspout, there's a downspout extension. Okay? This is another typical downspout extension here. Okay, they look basically the same, but they are totally different. Okay, now if your downspout is on your house just like this, and the water's coming down, and maybe say this is going out towards the side, it's going towards the side of your house, and you want it to go out towards the front. Okay, all you need to do is you need to remove your downspout extension just like so. And pop your new downspout extension in just like so. Now you see how before the water was flowing that way, and now the water will flow this way. They have different attachments available where you can either do it this way or that way. Some they do also have like a flex tube, which is like a long plastic, looks like a dryer vent, and you can actually connect this onto the bottom of your downspout, and you can move it and turn it around bushes and shrubs. You can do it a lot of different ways, but this is just a basic, simple version on how to redirect the water.